You won't believe how a single toothbrush can fix multiple household issues. Toothbrushes are not just for cleaning teeth, but they can also help with various home repairs. For instance, you can use a toothbrush to clean tight spaces and corners in your home. But did you know that a toothbrush can also be used to fix a leaky faucet or a broken light fixture? Yes, it sounds crazy, but the bristles on a toothbrush are perfect for reaching into tight spaces and cleaning out debris. This is especially useful when you need to clean out a pipe or a hose, and a toothbrush is the perfect tool for the job. But that's not the strangest part, because you can also use a toothbrush to fix a broken zipper or a torn seam on your favorite pair of jeans. Just dip the bristles in some fabric glue and use the toothbrush to apply it to the torn area. Let it dry and voila, your zipper or seam is good as new. The bristles on a toothbrush are also great for dusting and cleaning small electronics, like your phone or computer. Just use a soft bristled toothbrush and some compressed air to get into all the nooks and crannies.
And if you're feeling crafty, you can even use a toothbrush to create unique art projects, like making custom paintbrushes or stencils.
All you need is some paint, a toothbrush, and a surface to work on, and you're good to go. But how does it work, you might custom ask? Well, the key is in the bristles, which are designed to be soft and flexible, but also strong and durable. This makes them perfect for cleaning tight spaces and delicate surfaces, without scratching or damaging them. And because toothbrushes are so versatile, you can use them for a wide range of tasks, from cleaning out a pipe to fixing a zipper. But what about the impact of using a toothbrush for home repairs? Well, for starters, it can save you time and money by reducing the need for specialized tools and equipment. It's also a great way to reduce waste and reuse materials, which is better for the environment. And let's not forget the satisfaction of fixing something yourself without having to call in a professional. So the next time you're faced with a household issue, don't reach for the nearest tool or gadget, but instead grab a toothbrush and see what you can fix. And remember, a toothbrush is not just for cleaning teeth. It's a versatile tool that can help you fix just about anything. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And don't forget to like and comment below with your own ideas for using a toothbrush for home repairs. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY repair tips and tricks.